we're looking to hire, a lot of pilots this year, next year, the year after.
We're looking to fulfil some vacancies that we've got. Looking ahead,
Emirates is looking to recruit as many pilots as we can.
it gives us the opportunity to meet some of the candidates and potential recruits face to face.
Not just to apply to an online web page, which doesn't always get you places. So it's really speak to people face to face and see where it can lead to.
And we're looking to speak to the future of aviation.
Every airline has got its own culture, its own personality, if you like. It's not just about flying the aircraft. You have to be the right sort of person to fit into that and get on with that with that airline culture.
To network, to socialise, and to actually ask the airlines up front what are their requirements, what are they looking for.
Our members are also able to ask some very difficult questions about what their future would look like if they were brave enough to make that decision. So we're really pleased to provide this service for our members of BALPA.